Hi, I'm Andy Maskell, welcome to ETV. Today we're going to be looking at PSR Modular, and this is our safety controller from Phoenix Contact. So PSR Modular is a very simple system to put together. Basically what happens is you'll take your controller and you would mount your T-bus units as shown on there, and you would simply clip these in one by one and build up your system according to what it is that you need. And again, obviously this is adaptable afterwards as well. You can remove and chop and change this to suit, and you can add modules as you need them. So PSR Modular, as the name would suggest, is a modular system. What this allows us to do is adapt PSR Modular to any safety application. So what we can do, we can have a main controller here, which this is one of the options. We've got a gateway there to communicate with high-level systems, and then we can also have remote I/O. So it truly is adaptable and modular, as the name suggests. Right, I've already mentioned that PSR Modular is suitable for just about any application, which is true. It can be used for machinery safety or process. One of the features that I really like about this is you have got the option for remote I/O. This is very simple to configure in the software, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But here you just literally have what we call a T-bus module that's extended by 4 wires only, up to 50 meters away from the main controller. And you can have up to 6 of those in a system, which is great for a complete line or a complete machine. We've got various I/O modules, including obvious digital modules. We've got safe analog that we can monitor. We've also got speed monitoring modules as well. So like I say, this covers just about anything that you're going to need for a safety system. Right, so one of the main things that pulls PSR Modular together is the software. So we're going to have a quick look at that now and see how easy that is to use as well. So PSR Modular is very easy to use. As you'll see here, you create a new project, you can select your controller, the drop-down boxes. There's actually 3 to choose from in this software. You can choose your expansions as you require, up to 16. And you can also choose a gateway if you're using one, and then you'll have to select the protocol before you move on. And once you've selected that, just check the box to make sure that everything is correct in your project. Now we can begin. So there's a selection of inputs to suit most of the applications that will come across from machinery safety there. And then you can adapt the function box to suit, so single channel, dual channel, whichever is required. Select the inputs that are actually going to be used and allocate those. Now we can choose an output, connect the output, simple drag and drop, and all these function blocks are approved, TUV approved. Same application here, so just apply the outputs. Now you can select whether you want feedback from external contactors, if you need manual reset, if you need error outputs or anything else, you can apply them as well. Right, so we've covered a lot of the main points about PSR Modular, but trust me, there's a lot more. So if you want to know more about this system, then please feel free to contact me on my details, which should be appearing on the screen now, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for listening.